Hi, this is Devansha, and this is the video demonstration for test 2 of Comp 254. This is the linked binary tree exercise 1. I have created a method path uh, path length to find the sum of the depths of all node of the tree. What I have done here is uh, created a path length variable which I have initialized to 0. Then there's a private void path length method, and it has argument of node. What it does is returns null if the node is null, returns if the node is null. Otherwise, it adds the depth of that node to the path length variable, and then it recurses for get right and get left node. So it adds up the nodes left and right again here. And for using this method in main, what I have done is created a wrapper method with a return type int, so that returns the path length variable. I could have just done this void and used a dot operator to use the path length variable, but I chose to do return pl. uh, this is the driver method. What it does is calls the second method, that is the this method, and then it prints out the path length. Let's see this running. As you can see, test2 path length of tree is 6. uh, Here's the explanation for the same. This should be 0, this node should be 1, and this node should be 2, and it should totally add up to 6. Here you see 6. uh, to prove that this method works, I'll just uh, run this method for a subtree of left, and now it should run for this elements, and so it should add up to 1 plus 2 plus 2, so it should return the value 5. As you can see, 5. Now exercise 2 for sorted map table map. I created a method put only if absent, that is very similar to the put method. What it does is it uh, puts the key value pair into the table map if there is no existing key, or else it will just return the value of the key that has been found. So I check the key, I find its index and store it into J, and check if it exists. So here it is, less than 5, and compare it to table.getJ, and I return the value if this condition is met. If that condition is not met, so if the key is not found into the table, it will just add the key value pair into the table and return null. I created a driver method for it. I use that method to put a key value 1 5. As you can see, the key 1 is already existing, and so it should not change the value of 2 into 5. And when I'll run, you'll see that. And when I put 5 and 7 into it, you can see there is no key 5, and so it should add 5 and 7 into the table. As you can see, the value that returns from stm get is still 2 and not 5, and when I put the key as 5, I get the value 7, which should be added into the table because it was not found in the table earlier. And that's it.